Hey y'all, it's your girl Michele Naomi here, and welcome back to my channel. For my old subscriber, thanks for clicking me back on, and if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and share. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 vintage shoes. And with that being said, let's walk into these shoes. Okay, for my first pair of vintage shoes, it's these sandals, which I thrifted from a Goodwill. Not sure how much I paid for them. They're suede. There's like 3 straps. They're noisy though. When I walk in these shoes make a lot of noise. I really like these. These are comfortable. Definitely a summer sandal. You could get away with wearing it during the fall with the light socks. I really like these shoes and they're comfortable. So for my second pair of favorite thrifted shoes are these shoes by John Joseph. I also thrifted these from a Goodwill. Don't remember how much I paid for these. These loafers, they're comfortable. Color is unique. 100% leather. Yo, I put taps on them. That's how much I love them. Comfortable shoe. Enjoy wearing these. Okay, so this is my third pair of vintage shoes that I really enjoy wearing. I love the patchwork. It's so 60s, so retro, and it has a nice size heel on it. Comfortable, nice fall shoe, and I even have a pocketbook to match. I love these shoes. Just a good shoe to wear during the fall. So my next favorite pair of shoes are these black and white shoes. I like to call them my Tuxedo shoes. I actually paid $6.50 for these shoes. It was on a half off day. I got these from the Goodwill in Brooklyn. They're not leather, but I like them. They're comfortable. Nice size heel. Easy to walk in. Nice dressy shoes. Another favorite of mine. And my last but not least pair of fire shoes. Every girl needs a pair of turquoise shoes in her closet. Turquoise shoes with a kitten heel, satin material, and I don't know if you can see a diamond or fake diamond clasp on the side. These are my going out shoes. I love pairing these with jeans, with a pair of rugged looking jeans. Tell me this ain't fire. Go ahead and tell me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave me a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite pair and how you would style it. Michele Naomi, peace.